Hi friends, let's learn how to fix App Store not working on iPhone 16e. Well, for that, if the App Store like this is not working onto it, then you should first check out your internet connection, that your phone like have a well internet connection into it, so that you can perform that app well. For that, simply go to Control Center, click on it, click on Wi-Fi, and make sure to check out if the Wi-Fi is connected, or otherwise your mobile data is working well onto your phone and giving a proper like connection or signals onto your phone. Otherwise, you can also recheck it by simply checking it out or on other apps as well. So this is how you can do so. Otherwise, if we talk about the next option, that says that simply close the app completely and then open it back again. As you can see, this is how you can open the app. You just simply go out. You didn't close the app properly. Simply swipe up from the bottom, and then you can see this app is actually working from the back end as well. Simply swipe up to turn it off. This is how you can completely turn off it. Otherwise, you can also give a force restart to your iPhone. That will also help you to do so. Now, how to do it? For that, you actually need to first click the volume up button, then volume down button, and then press and hold this power button until you see the Apple logo onto your screen. You have to be patient while pressing and holding this power button, because it will take 20 to 25 minutes seconds. So simply press the volume up button, down button, and then press and hold this button. You just need to be patient and wait for the Apple logo to come in front. Just ignore these kind of slides coming in front. Let's wait for the Apple logo. Okay, here it is. Now simply place the phone onto the stand and wait for it to get started. This is how you can give a quick and easy restart to your iPhone. That will actually give you can say a very soft reset to your phone, so that you can get all the things back again onto their places and starts working well. Now otherwise, you can also go for uh, update the latest version. Otherwise, check out the storages as well. Maybe if the mail storage gets full, or maybe the Apple stores store if your phone's storage is full, then maybe some apps also starts malfunctioning, so you can also check those out as well. I hope these fixes will definitely help you to resolve your problem. So thank you so much, and may you all have a great day.